Ipigtawan rekognasyon kan Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development ang sa indang labi sa 300 na stakeholders as in partners na nakatuwang ninda sa pagbusol as in pag-implementar kaman iba-ibang programa as in proyekto kan departamento ngunya na taon. Ang pagtaong onra katakod kang ikadosing sa Bicol Noon Awards na pigkondusir kasudma sa syudad ni Legazpi. Naiuli kang bulan Sorsogon, Vira Catanduanes as in PUV Corpus Masbate ang tig 200,000 pesos matapos na bistohon na Green Achiever Awardee sa municipal level. 500,000 pesos naman ang naiuli kang Catanduanes na pigbisto man na Green Achiever Awardee sa provincial level. Sigun kay Rose Maria Rimpilio, Officer in Charge kan DOH sa rehiyon, sentro kang aktibidad ang pagrekognisar sa mga individual, stakeholders, as in partners na nakatabang ninda sa kampanya kontra sa tuberculosis, nakatuwang sa mga bloodletting activities, immunizations as in iba pa.
With the team ipadagos ang serbisyong sa Bicol Noon para sa mga usbag na rehiyon, employing a whole of system, whole of government, and whole of society approach, it's imperative to ensure that action plans and strategic approaches towards universal health care are established.
Sa minor awards, ipigtawan na Listo Award sa LB Cruel Medical Clinic, Dr. Miguel V. Alegre Hospital, De Castro Hospital Foundation Incorporated. Inuli naman kan Judith Buela Cousins Birthing Home, Fabia Family Care Clinic, Ubusan Lying in Clinic, Perpetual Health Lying in Clinic, Silvederio Pelones Birthing Clinic, CHO Masbate, Hermo Medical Clinic Lying in, Bing Maternity and Lying in Clinic, SL Bello Maternity and Lying in Clinic, Partido Medical and Diagnostic Center, Masbate City Polyclinic and Diagnostic Laboratory ang Sinag Award. Adolescent Friendly Health Facility Awardees naman ng RHU San Fernando, RHU San Jose, RHU Goa, RHU Pamplona, RHU Magarao na enterong gikan sa probinsya ni Camarines Sur. Adolescent Friendly Health Facility Referral Hospital Award naman ang ipiguli kang Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center as in Bicol Medical Center. Best Functional Community-Based Rehabilitation Program Implementation Awardee man ang LGU Sorsogon City, LGU Tabaco City, LGU Legazpi City, LGU Barcelona Sorsogon, LGU Bato Catanduanes, LGU Tigaong Camarines Sur, LGU Ligao City as in LGU Irusin. Best Implementation of the Lifestyle-Related Disease Prevention and Control Awardee ang City Health Office kang Sorsogon, Tabaco as in Legazpi City. Best Implementer of Newborn Screening Program ang Sorsogon Provincial Hospital, Irusin District Hospital as in Puduran Memorial District Hospital. Best in Prevention of Blindness Program Implementation sa LGU as in Schools Division Category para sa provincial level ang Provincial Health Office kang Albay as in Catanduanes. Mantang sa city level, iyon City Health Office kan Ligao. Nagtaumanin mensahe si DOH Secretary Dr. Teodoro Herbosa as in DOH Undersecretary Nestor Santiago sa nasambit na pagtiripon.
Revolves around continuing quality healthcare services accessible to all Bicolanos. We at the Department of Health and as the overall Technical Authority on Health in the Philippines prioritizes providing special healthcare services, plans, and policies towards our vision of Filipinos being among the healthiest people in Asia.
Kasi natutuwa po kami na meron tayong mga mayors na nandito. And of course, yung mga health officers and other health workers na nandito that will really help us out implement the universal healthcare. Pero remember, ang sinasabi ko, hindi natin ma-attain yung universal healthcare without the primary healthcare.
Apwera ka mga nasambit na major as in minor awards, kadakol pa ang pigrekognisar kan departamento. Laom naman ni Dr. Ernie Vera kan DOH Bicol na lugod ay magsawaan sa indang partners as in stakeholders sa pagsuporta kan sa indang mga programa para magkaigmanin mas mabaskog na salud ang mga Bicolano.
It is essential in ensuring that the Bicolanos are healthy and safe from disease. We will make the utmost difference if we work closely together, as there is truly nothing about us without us. I am honored to have been guided and joined by esteemed individuals in public health. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey I have taken. Let us move forward and achieve more success, create more memories, and spread the more joy with others. Diyos mabalos po sa inyo, boss.
Mientras tanto, magigirumduman na kang nakaaging Enero, inot ng pigtawan rekognasyon kan DOH Bicol an man iba-iba nindang stakeholders as in partners na nagkaigwan ninda kulang kontribusyon sa paglaban sa COVID-19. Para sa mga baretang Tatak Bicol, May Arango.